Working on an RHO. We're gonna be doing the exhaust. Here, I already cut one of the pipes. Taking the resonator out. We're gonna leave the valves right there, right here. Got two valves on both sides. We're gonna leave that. I'm gonna cut that right here, both sides, and then that one and that one. Stay tuned. This is the flared end of that pipe that I ordered. One inch bracket and then a double. And then you can see inside, I left the flaps or the valves on both sides. Do that last one, we'll see what it sounds like. So then I had somebody hold the exhaust centered, obviously by the bumper, and I brought this pipe up and I made my mark on there while having it sleeved in over here. That's what I did for both sides.